Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a very important feature in pivot table, value grouping. So we are going to discuss how you can use pivot table to group your values, analyzing things like numerical distributions. So let's get started. So we are going to use a data set of a house price to do our analysis. So this data set is a data set of a house price. Looking at the column header, you find this is the house ID, the sales price, the lot area, the building type, house style, building year built, year remodeled, roofing style, the heating, number of bedrooms, and the year sold. So let's create our pivot table. So you click on insert, click on table, from tables slash range. We are going to create our table on the existing worksheet. So I will click here. So I will click OK. So this is our pivot table field pin. Now we are going to use the sales price. Okay, this is the sum of the sales price. Now let us sort it using the building type. Okay, building type. So let us use the year the building was built to sort it. A year built. Okay, so this is okay. Let us go down, change this to um, let us let's change it to currency sign. Okay, so click on self formatting, go to the currency. Okay, let us remove decimal place and use a dollar sign. Okay, then I will click OK. So now everything has changed to dollar sign. So this is okay. Now this is a sum. So let's use the average price because we have a lot of number of years here now. So let's change the this into average, the price to average price. We sort it. Sorry, you right click on it. Go to value field setting. Okay, then click average. Now the value have been changed to average price. So looking at this critically now, you can see the year this house was built. This one, the first one is 1879. This one, the second one here is we have 1880, we have 1890, we have 1895, and so on and so forth. So each one now has the price of the building. Each year the building was built, the house was built, you have the price here, and so on and so forth. So this is the preliminary EDA, that's the exploratory data analysis. This is the preliminary EDA. So now let us see how this value can be grouped. So let's change this. We will change this average price. We change it to the row. Okay. So you can either click here and move it to the row label. or you click and then drop. Okay, so it can be done in other way. Having done this now, we you right click on this, then you click on group. Okay, so this dialog box will appear. Now it will ask you what is the starting price of this house now. So now we are going to use the starting price. Let us use $10,000. Okay, then the end price of it. Let us use $600,000. Okay, then the increment. Let us use 250,000 dollars. Okay, and you click OK. You see, we have only two groups now. So let's try another group. Right click on this. Click on it. Click on group. Um, start with 10,000 $10,000. Then the end, let's say $700,000. Then the increment, let's use 50,000. Okay, as the increment, or let's say 75,000 as the increment. Then you click OK. So we have three groups. We have three groups like this. So this is how this. Okay, let's try one more. Let's change this 10,000, 600, 600,000. Then the increment, let's use 50,000. Okay, so we have this group. So that is how you can change the group. You can see now this group. Now with these four different groups now based on this, you can see you have 110,000 to 160,000, 160,000 to 210,000, 210,000 to 260,000, 260,000 to 310,000. So, like, okay, let's do one more thing now. Now, in this case, now, okay, let's sort it using the the house ID. Okay, okay. Now, let's change this one from the currency sign now to what cell. We'll change it to general. Okay, click OK. Then here now is sum. So let's change it to count. Okay, it's my system. So change it to count by clicking on this value field. Then go to count. Click on count and click OK. So look at this now. You see this very. group now for $110,000 to $160,000. We have total count of 168 houses that are so that their price fall under this. This price of 160,000 to $210,000. We have a total of 1,238 houses that their price fall under this category, and so on and so forth. So if let's say we want to make it, let's use charts to represent it. So let's create charts using this. Okay. So you can use chart now. You can see the area. Okay, let's use data label now. So you can easily see the area that has the highest, I mean the group, the price group that has the highest number of houses. So you can see that the price group is between $160,000 and $210,000. So this is how values are grouped using pivot table. So if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. Please click the subscribe button so that whenever we upload our videos, you'll be informed. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in our next video.